Hello friend, welcome back to AutoResource YouTube channel. And in this very short video I would like to show you what happens to me when I take this 2012 Honda CR-V to the car wash. And of course, very first time when I took it to the car wash, I immediately lost something. You see this area here? There should be nicely covered by the plastic piece, nice black piece, right, matching the color, and now it's missing. And of course that means it was time to visit the Honda dealer, right, for this missing cover. So this is the part number. Of course they didn't have it in the stock, so I went there today back. Finally I have the piece and we can install it together. So here you can hopefully nicely see the detail, right? This is the new part, and all you have to do, keep the wiper arm in the same position, and it's a plastic, so carefully start moving it this way, right? Then lowering it, and we have perfectly installed the part. And that's definitely a huge improvement from how it looked 5 minutes ago. I'm pretty sure this video will be helpful for someone. If you liked it, give it a thumb up and make sure that you are subscribed, because I have way more coming your way on this AutoResource YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and have a great day, my friend.